Welcome to my channel. Let's make a quick native jollof rice. Immediately, let's start. In a well-cleaned parboiled rice, add in some water. Add in your meat stock if any is available. I had chicken stock in the freezer. I poured it right into my rice. Stir a little bit and you cover. When it starts boiling, you go ahead to add the rest ingredients. First, I'll be adding my atarudo fresh pepper. Pour in your fresh pepper. Enough fresh pepper will be good for this native jollof rice. Pour in your fresh pepper. Pour in little ginger and garlic paste. Pour in fresh oil, little oil, the way you want yours to look like. You can add more so that it will be purely red. Yes, I love that red oil color on my native jollof rice. So you're allowed to boil for a while. Check the taste. If you're good, add salt, add your seasoning cube. Check whether you're cool with the taste before you cover your pot. Open the pot again, sprinkle some crayfish, stir the top, add your seasoning cube. Still check the taste if you're good to go. Salt, cover. Looking so pretty and beautiful. For this native rice, I'll be using some smoked fish and dried shrimps. So I'll just stop my smoked fish, onion first, and I'll top the smoked fish and the dried shrimps. I have little dried fish too. Cover your pot and allow it to cook. Okay, right now it's looking good. Sprinkle your scent leaf and you lower your heat and allow the water to dry off. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipes. I bake, I cook, I decorate cake, I make different pastries. I know you would love to see. Feel free to check on my channel. Feel free to check out my videos. I know you will not regret it. And feel free to subscribe to my channel to be getting alerts of my newest video. Anytime I post new video, you will get an alert. Subscription is free just for you to be getting alerts of my newest video. Okay, right now stir up your palm oil rice, that's native rice, and you allow the heat needs to be low at this time, very low. You cover for the next 1 minute before you serve. To my old subscribers, you're welcome back again. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching this video. I love you so much. If there is any recipe you want me to try out, feel free to drop it on the comment section. By God's grace, I would love to try it out for you. This native rice is pretty ready. Right now, I'll off the heat and serve this lovely food. Look at that beauty. Isn't it beautiful? Wow. Thanks a million. Thanks so much for watching. I'll dish out mine and I'll eat and enjoy this yummy native jollof rice. What a quick feast. Thanks a million for watching. Bye.